Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Ooh. Oh, it is 10 to 7 in the morning. So that's our first night in our glamping pod. I mean, I'm not so sure it's glamping. It's just a wooden shed with a mattress on the floor.
I said what I said, and I'm not changing on it, okay? I said what I said.
But that's fine. It was good. Slept quite well. Had a lot of sleep all the way through. Early start this morning. As you can tell, we're in the car, which has been fully unloaded, so it should be a bit lighter to drive. And this morning, we are driving back to Llanberis to go and walk up a mountain. So it's about a 40-minute drive from here, and then we will be attempting Mount Snowdon, which is the tallest peak in Wales and England as well. So we're now at Llanberis car park for £10 for all-day parking.
Dirty, evil Robin bastards.
But we're here, we're just putting on our outfit, fit check. And then I keep looking around being like, is that the mountain? Is that the mountain? Is that the mountain? Or is that the mountain? Who knows? But we're here, so we're gonna switch on over to the GoPro because, you know, action camera. But look, also, we are the only car in this car park at this point. Maybe because it's £10, maybe because we're so keen. Yeah, so we're gonna get packed up and get going. I think it's meant to be about 6 to 6.5 hours to go up and back down. Let's see, so it's now 7:45 AM, so we'll be on our way by 8 o'clock. So 8, 9, 10. Back down by 2, half 2. Let's find out. Oh, leave me here. And I'll see you when you get back down. Oh my god. We've only been going about 5 minutes. A little bit longer, but how long have we been going, do you think?
What time is it now? Oh, about 45 minutes.
Meaning there's about another 2.5 hours to the top.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh Lord. I mean, look at this one. Perfectly fine. hell. Hell. We are not too far from the top, surely.